So Dancing Moose was actually my mom's dream. She has her PhD in education, and through her 20s and 30s, she always had a dream of having an early childhood learning center. From the beginning, we wanted it to be excellent. We wanted to have a beautiful building with lots of sunlight. We wanted to have excited children who have genuine teachers that are educated and understanding current best practices. And we wanted a safe, clean environment. That was part of our mission from the beginning. So health and safety has to be number one for families. And as families come to Dancing Moose, they know that we are first promoting health and safety of their children. Anything we can do to provide that extra level of health and safety is really important. I mean, hand washing is something we do throughout the day. It is a part of the routine, and the teachers will remind children as they come out of the restroom, oh, remember, we wash our hands. We give lessons about hand washing. So there's a lot of grace and courtesy lessons around hand washing and keeping our classroom clean. And so I think it's a big focus, and hand washing is a big part of our day. And to have a hand washing machine that we know is doing it thoroughly and carefully, plus it's fun, the children love it. It now becomes part of their routine where they're putting their hands in the sink, they're excited about it, it tickles, it's warm, it feels good. Then they walk down to class, it builds their independence, it's part of that morning routine. And we have the peace of mind knowing that every child that comes in is starting with a clean slate. I think is critical in promoting our mission of health and safety. And it's just one part of it because we're washing, like I said, throughout the day in the classroom. But it does provide peace of mind for our team as well as our parents to know. So when we purchased our hand washing machines, it was in the thick of COVID, and getting in touch with the vendor and getting answers was really challenging. And it was so refreshing to work with Meritech. I think the moment we called in, we were linked up with someone that had answers. We immediately had pricing and information, and we were rolling within a few days. And it was so refreshing at that time to be working with a vendor that was so eager to help us. And I think we truly felt like Meritech was there joining us in this mission to provide safety for our students. And that partnership was really important. And after the installation, we've had such great service. Anytime we have a question or something isn't working quite right, Meritech is right there with a technician, looking into it, fixing it, answering our questions. The relationship with Meritech has been really great. Meritech is a new household name for us that we'll be having in our schools as we move forward.